Hey, welcome back. Hope everyone's well. Thank you for watching another video. So I just finished off today's trading session. You can see that literally we're about 11:30 EST, and I got out of my trade at 11:18. You can go and watch it live as well, which I've done on YouTube. And this is just a recording and analysis of that trade. Before I get started, please like, please subscribe. Really helps the channel grow. It's a brand new channel, so I'd really appreciate it. So starting from the beginning. So I was actually wrong today. I was wrong on my analysis, in a way anyway. So you can see yesterday we had this massive move up, and we were consolidating. We had this bullish fair value gap below us on both NQ and ES. So if I just quickly flick over to the 4 hour chart, you can see fair value gap here, fair value gap here. Okay, and I actually thought that price would come into that fair value gap, hoping it would come into the top one over here and see some kind of reversal pattern because we had all these lows engineered here. I thought we would come in into the 4 hour fair value gap, take these lows, and then reverse back to the upside. Um, but the reversal was obviously a lot steeper, and it was mainly because of ES. You could see it had a much steeper move down, dragging NQ along with it. So basically, it was just a bounce play that we caught today. So price was coming down, it was coming down. We were reaching about the what time was it? About just past 10:30, and I was literally about to call it a day. But you could see, look, we had a high, a low, and a higher high. So that was our market structure shift, and you can see this huge displacement candle that went right through it. Then, so I took the entry literally on the close of that candle and rolled it up. Now this was meant to be a 2 hour trade, and I thought we would get that, to be honest with you. So if I literally go from here, I think my stop was literally about there somewhere. A 2 hour trade was there. Okay, and I think, to be honest with you, my stop was a bit wider. It probably was about here somewhere, to be honest. I can't actually remember now. But if you watch it live, you'd see. And actually, let me do this. Yeah, that looks about right because that's about just shy of a 1 hour. I think 1 hour's just over here. Yeah. Okay. So that's what happens. I think my stop loss was down there, took my entry there, and I was targeting a 2 hour. And at 1 hour, I brought my stop up to break even. And then as it broke this high, I moved my stop up higher, which I didn't usually like to do, but I didn't like this price action here. You could see the weakness. So initially my target was all the way up here. It would have been a great trade, but lucky for me, I did move my stop up. I trailed it all the way to this low right here, just below this bullish candle, and you can see price just literally tipped over all the way back down, and it would have taken me out. If I'd put my stop just above break even over here, it would have taken me out. I wouldn't have made anything, which is fine. I think for the longer run, that practice is good because then on those 2 hour days, it does allow me to catch them. But sometimes you just have to look at the chart for what it is, and it just looked really weak over here, and it was just it was a good place to really get out, especially because we had such huge momentum on the way down. So we took in about just literally shy of 200 across 8 accounts. So there was one live account with my actual live capital, and then across 7 other funded accounts. And so yeah, all in all, we hit about £2,000 or just shy of 2,000 on the day, which is absolutely amazing, especially on a day like this. And yeah, hopefully we can continue this momentum in tomorrow. So now we are positive for the week. We are now making money. We're profitable. We'll see what tomorrow holds, and hopefully we can just end the week with a bang. But again, it is government shutdown. There is a lack of momentum. The price action is very iffy. Um, so we'll see what it holds. But please like, please subscribe. I won't ramble anymore. And yeah, hopefully I'll see you lot again tomorrow. Tune in for the live. I do a live stream every single day now since I've got my OBS working. Please tune in. It'd be great to see some people on there. And have a great evening. Thanks.